This Kansas City, shit's ran gritty. In the summertime, the chicks be damn pretty. Born in the projects, then to the Ville. Then I ask, everybody got their hands up like, see a bad.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. All this week, I have been dealing with my motorcycle. Took the course this week, and that was Monday, Tuesday, and after that, Wednesday, I took the written test. Thursday, I came up to the DMV to get my license, and the police have a freaking hold on my license because I forgot to pay a ticket. So now I'm up here Friday and I'm getting everything done. Now I have everything right. It's just a headache. So all this week I just been dealing with all of this, and it's just all day. Anywho, I'm hoping I can get some videos up for you guys, so you guys can see me ride. I don't do wheelies, not yet. I do have videos, but I ordered the GoPro 4 session, but I don't have a mic, so now I need to get a mic. Yeah, so I ordered a mic, but the piece doesn't fit, so I ordered the piece to the mic. Now I'm gonna be able to talk to you guys. So I don't know, I think I received that sometime when, I don't know, but anyway, please stay tuned, subscribe, do everything you can, just help me out. Or not, you don't have to watch. Yes, you do have to watch. You have to watch. You have to watch. Anyway, now I'm up here at the DMV. Now they faxed the letter, and it's gonna take about approximately 30 minutes. So I've been up here for about an hour or so, just chilling. As you know, I am from Kansas City, Missouri, the home of the Royals. And I'm gonna be taking you on a journey through my city. Yeah. Anywho, I'm just gonna be sitting here waiting for them because it's gonna take a long time. I just hate waiting on things. It just drives me insane, man. Anywho, please stay tuned to my station. Channel, should I say. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Wonderful, wonderful. Sexy. But I'm hoping to get my license, so yay to me. I have accomplished something that I really wanted. So anything you want in life, go for it. Go for it. You can accomplish anything, guys. Go for it. Even though it took me forever. It's a process of doing things. She was cute. It's a process of doing things. Like, it's not gonna come overnight, of course. But hey, oh well. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. What up? Okay, everything is complete now. I have my motorcycle license now, which the paper copy, I have to wait for the real copy to get in the mail in 2 weeks. But I am so excited. I can ride anywhere, everywhere. Ah! I feel good. I feel really good about this. Yeah. It's like a relief. All I've been through, like, all this week, taking off work. It's like, my God. But I finally completed the task. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. You guys stay tuned.
Spit it up, this Kansas City. Shit's ran gritty. In the summertime, the chicks be damn pretty. Born in the projects, then to the Ville. Then I did a deal with Travis and made meals. This is celebration, this is elevation. Me and my delegation got niggas hella hating. This is Nutter House regime, Road Dogg, and it's all strange music. Winners can't lose